Hello guys, I am Shazad Aman and welcome in lecture number 4. Today we are going to discuss about the map, heading, text, separator, empty, space, single image and HTML and raw HTML or HTML content. So first of all, as you can see, we have created two elements in our previous lecture, but now we are going to create another row. So select the row first of all. So here is your row you have just selected, but before selecting, what is separator? So as you can see, separator create a horizontal row or HR for you. So how can you create the separator? Just click on this. So this is the separator. Click on the separator. Okay, so you can see center, left, right, these are the options. Alignment available here, so you can select the colors. I am selecting the Vista blue. Okay, so as you can see, I have just selected the Vista view. Okay, you can also select any color you want to add. For suppose purple, so purple is here because it's a single line, so that's why it's not easy to identify the color. Okay, so width, you can also select the 10 pixel. So as you can see, you have 10 pixel width now, and a lot of options available if you are working on the separators. As you can see, elements, CSS animations, you can add the animations. Click on this and click this. Okay, so animations, animate your element. So I'm saying I'm not using element. You can also add the extra element ID or extra class if you are customizing this. So in the design options, you can also add the background. Okay, you can also add the border, and you can also add the border radius. So it's totally dependent upon you, but for now, so this is the portion option: normal, small or gradient. So a lot of options available if you are working on separator. Just for now, I have added the separator. And what about the heading? Click on this yellow column. That means it's saying append to the column. That means I am going to add something in this column, because if you are edit this columm, so as you can see, the design or the responsive options, you have one single column. So if you are choosing, first of all, we are using a single column. So this is a single column. First of all, the length is 12 column. Okay, and this is the column inside a single row. The column width is 4, or in simple words, the column is 4. So this is the 4 and this is the 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, this is the 12 columns. So these are the 12 columns inside a single row. So you always insert 12 column inside a single row. Either it's 4, 4, 4, 12, or 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay, so it's totally dependent upon you. Or you are creating the one column. So one column for 12 time. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 till the 12th column. So it's totally dependent upon it. So this is the single column. Click on this. I'm saying this is the heading. So heading, you have your photo heading, custom heading, and separator with text. Click on the custom heading. So as you can see, this is the custom heading. Select the type, text, source. This is the custom text or post. It's totally dependent upon you. I'm saying custom text. Okay, so H1 or H2 or H5 till H6 or P or D div. It's totally dependent. I'm saying H1. This is H1. Alignment, I'm saying center. You can set the alignment. You can also set the font size or your line height, and you can also set the text color. For suppose I'm saying red. So okay, it's red. So as you can see, right, the alignment is center. You can also set the font family, and you can also set the font style, and you can also set the animations, and you have a element and the ID and class name also you can also add. So in this way you can create the heading. And how can you add the map? Or suppose a single image. So as you can see, you have a single image options or elements. So you have a single image, And if you are, this is the media library or external link or feature image. So select your image source. I am saying that I am going to fetch this image from the media library. If I am saying external link, so you have to provide the link. If you are saying the feature image, so you have to provide this feature image. I'm saying I'm going to fetch this image from the media library, so I have to select the image from the media library. In this time I'm saying this image. Okay, so this is the image I have just selected. So in this image size, so this is a thumbnail size, so this is the thumbnail size. And the alignment of the image, you can also add the center, left or right. It totally depend upon you. The image size is default. You can also select any style. It totally depend upon you. Okay, on click action, you can also add the actions. For example, zoom, open. So you can add the click option. You can add the animations, ID and class. You can also add the ID and class separate if you are customizing this. For suppose I am saying this is a thumbnail. Click. So you can see this is a thumbnail. So that's why it's showing you just, I think 200 by 200. Just click, added this single image settings. Just copy the medium, paste here medium, save, close. So as you can see, this is the medium. Or click on the large. So this is the large. Save, close. This is a large. If you are saying that full, so this is the full width of the image. So it's already depend upon you. In this way you can add the single image. So if you want to add the element, whenever you want to add the element, you have to click on this yellow icon, because this yellow icon related with this column. Okay, if you want to add something inside this column, then you have to click on this. First of all, you are adding the text. So you can see you have just added the text here. So you must confirm which element you want to add in which column. So I am adding the elements inside this column. So click on this. Now this is a single image. If you want to add the text, just find the text. So as you can see, this is the text block, separator with text, custom heading, photo fancy tag. So these are the text available here. You can also click on this, click on this, click on this, click on this. So each element has its own nature. Each element has its own functionality. So I'm not going to define each and everything here, but I'm just giving you general concepts. So you can also click on this. So elements, you can add anything here. You can add the animations, external styling and ID, and you can add the bold and whatever you want to add. Just click on this, click on this. So as you can see, it's showing by default from the left side. Just click on the center, so it's showing from the center side. So this is the text area. Design options, you can add the background color. For suppose if you want to select the background color, this, so you can see this is the background color. So each element has its own functionality and has its own nature. So it's totally depend upon you. Okay, so remove this, add a new text. For suppose in this time I'm going to add this text with separator. So I'm saying title, add your text here. For suppose, okay, alignment center, position center. Okay, color is gray, border 1 pixel. You can add 1, 2, 3 and 4 pixels also, and element width. So as you can see, we have just added the element with separator. So in this way you can create the element. So if I'm going to add the map, so what you need, just need to add the photo map section, photo Google map. I'm saying this map section. So width, height, select your width, height, and select your map style, and select your latitude and longitude. Okay, so this is the longitude, and map zoom, top margin, default width. Okay, you have added the map. So you can find the latitude, my current position in Google Map. So this is the current position. For suppose I'm saying latitude and longitude. I'm saying Karachi. So this is the longitude and it's saying latitude. So this is the latitude. Add your latitude here. And where is the longitude? Add your longitude here. Okay. Select. Update. Now what you need, just need to click on the backend sections. The map is not view preview. So as you can see, you have your 3 items. As you can see, you have your map here. So you have added your heading, single image, and your heading with map. Sometime I use front end and sometime I use back end, so don't worry about it. The concepts are the same. So these are the elements which we have created in this a single column. I want to add another text. So text. So this is the text. This is the WordPress text. Type something here. So as you can see, this is a WordPress text. Watch preview. So this is the WordPress text. So in this way you can create your elements by using drag and drop or by selecting some elements. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. Thank you for watching.